Hi, I'm Andrew Jaloza from the Estate Planning Law Group. I've been asked the question, what is a trust? And also, what's the difference between a revocable and an irrevocable trust? Well, a trust is a contract. It's a contract between the people who own the property, the grantors, the people who manage the trust called the trustees, and the people who are entitled to the property that's in there or the income that's in there called the beneficiaries. It is a private agreement. There is no public aspect to that unless you publish it yourself or tell people about it. There is no court involvement. The laws and the rules of the state of New York allow a trust to be created and to accept property into it, and it creates an entity that's somewhat separate and apart from you. The difference between revocable versus irrevocable is a very important distinction. But what is clear that both of those trusts, revocable or irrevocable, avoid probate. You do not have to go to have probate done for anything that's in the trust. So in other words, anything you fund into the trust, which applies for a revocable or irrevocable trust, is no longer part of your probate estate and will pass according to the rules that you set up rather than the rules and regulations of the state of New York. The difference between revocable and irrevocable really is that a revocable trust can be revoked at any time. You can close down the trust, you can be the trustee, you can have the benefit of all of the assets that are in there. What a revocable trust will not do, because you have full access and control and benefit of those assets, it will not provide asset protection, which is why we need to use an irrevocable trust to create that situation for you if that's what you want. If you're interested in finding out more about the differences and what they both do, please give us a call, visit us on the web, or come to one of our free workshops. Thank you so much for listening.